this hotel. Very, very huge. Their rooms are so big. Even their swimming pool, very, very nice. Yes. Amadi, you know me. I like enjoyment.
Will you keep quiet?
You know me. For what? Amadi, come to this place. Come to New Day Hotels.
My brother. For what? But this is something that I just ordered for.
Wait, I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Hey, what do you say? Bring out your father's house.
Hello, wait.
This is about bring out your father's house.
It's just your dream.
Sir? Why you imagine this one?
Why are you harassing me?
No, sir. I'm not harassing her. It's just abuse.
Okay, because of abuse, then you want to kill her.
No.
You see how you people do in Nigeria?
No, sir. Don't
You see
misunderstand me.
how you people do in Nigeria?
Just abuse. She don't
I
want
will take care of that
It's not
abuse.
even free.
I will take care of that abuse.
Other phone is testing.
My dear, calm down. I will take care of that abuse.
The point is, you have not even asked what she ordered for.
What?
Don't mind this nonsense.
I want to see your manager. I want to see your manager. Yes.
Other people only free.
My dear, calm down.
Only water that
I will teach you a lesson.
can you imagine?
I will teach you. I'll get out. I'll take you according to your manager.
This is my manager.
Okay, it's your manager. Okay, you are the manager. Are you the one that brought this idiot? You are the one that brought this connect.
What's happening?
Can you imagine that this boy is looking down on my personality? Do you know me? As important as me.
Will you keep quiet?
Ask him.
You what happened?
Oh! You are testing my patience.
She ordered something.
You are
After all my findings, her bill was 250,000 naira. And I was trying to.
Hello, wait. You show that for that.
Her bill is 250,000
Why did
naira.
you tell me now?
I was telling you before you calm down. Cash on POS.
I don't understand.
Are you paying cash on POS?
Excuse me, I don't understand. Hello, thank you. See, I was trying to you do like that. She has told me on time. She has told me on time.
Get up. Since you cannot pay in cash on POS, don't you work for this
No,
hotel?
you should have informed me now. You should have.
Young man, you work in this hotel till this year. So you cover the bill of 250,000 naira. Security. They go.
Come on,
Excuse me, sir. That's the bucket and the shovel. You can start working those people over there.
Jesus!
Man, to the baby,
come on, put that in us.